I want to welcome you back to another video, and if it's your first time here, my name is Young Fizz. I also go by Mr. Dope Status on Instagram. I make a lot of helpful machine tutorials as well as other audio-related content, but today we're going to be diving into Native Instruments session guitars. This one's called Electric Neon Essentials, and in this video, we are going to be checking out the interface as well as checking out some of the sound demos. So if you haven't already, do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the bell notifications so whenever I drop a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Without further ado, let's dive into today's video, which is all about Session Guitarist Electric Neon Essentials Pop and EDM Edition. All right, so let's dive into the world of Session Guitarists. Again, this is Electric Neon Essentials. And what I want to do with this video is not only play you some presets, but I quickly want to go over the interface just so you can have an understanding of how everything kind of flows inside of the interface. If you want to skip this portion, go straight to the demo or the playback, then you can do so by using the tab chapter markers down below. Also, if you want to download Session Guitarist Electric Neon Essentials, I'm gonna leave a link in the top of the description box below. Feel free to click the affiliate link and download Session Guitar Electric Neon Essentials. The first thing I want to start with is the upper left hand corner where it says vibrato. And as you can see right now, I have the Electric Neon Essentials melody loaded. So that means I can play my notes individually right now. So as you can see down here, with the blue, I'm able to play the different notes individually. Now, if I change my articulation, so let's say if I want it muted, I can come down here again. It changes the sound. Another thing you can do is change the different fret positions. So let's say, for example, right now it's on fret 2, and we can click in here and drag this up or down. And it slightly changes the fret position. Now, another thing you can do is you can play the progression. So right here, you can see the pattern. And if we hit this button here, it says progression. Use the magnifier glass right here to change so you use that to change the different patterns, or we can select the next pattern right here. So really awesome stuff there. Now up here where it says bend, we can bend the notes, and you have the different options here from all, low, high, soft, loud, last. And I did a complete masterclass on this and also a workshop. So if you want to click the button or the tab in the upper right hand corner, I'll post it here so you can see it. But it's a really helpful video, completely free to watch on YouTube, and you'll learn a lot about Session Guitarist Neon, more than you're going to learn in this video right here. So if you're familiar, I'm just going to give you a little bit of preview. If you are brand new, then definitely go check out those videos. Now up here, you'll see where it says sound presets, and we can select our different presets from right here. And let's go ahead and choose another one. And when you select this here, that's going to change the guitar settings, and it's also going to change your amp and effects. So sometimes it'll change, sometimes it'll not, just depends on what you select. So if we select another one here, you'll see how that changes. And I'll go back to this one here, click the drop down arrow, and you see how it changes. So you get a whole nother tone. Now that we're in this menu here, I do want to share with you that you can really customize a lot of these settings. So you have your pickup, the DI signal, the mic, intonation, noise, muted notes. Of course, you have your amps and effects. You can change the chain of your effects. You can clear it all if you want to and start from the beginning. You can go to playback, select how your performance sounds. So say, for example, if your pattern is playing, let's play a pattern. So you can really change how this is all being played. So right here, I was just adjusting the humanized control. So if you want it quantized, if you want it to be a swing performance, you can select the note type. So if it's 16th note or 8th note, you can select a different fill, whether it's 16th note or 8th. And then also you can change the timing, so you can shift it a little bit. So if you want to put the performance more in time with the song or have it a little bit late or early, you're able to do that as well. You can choose when you want it to stop. You can sync it to host. You have this melody pattern control here. Then also you can select if you want to do halftime or if you want it to do double time. And as you can see right now, it says tempo too low. Please increase the tempo. Try the double time scaling or decrease the swing. So basically, it just probably won't sound right if I have it like this. And then we can also play with the swing as well, the fill, all that good stuff. Now, you can click this icon right here, which will pop up on the articulations, just a map selector. You can see the slides, the endings, articulations, and everything like that. So really helpful visually to see what you're doing. Now, also you have this here. This enables you to basically drag and drop the progression onto either Maschine, Pro Tools, Studio One, whatever you have. It just allows you to drop that pattern directly into your DAW. And then also you can change the key. So let's say, for example, the song is playing and you don't like the key. So you can change the key right here, just drag it up or down. If you're playing it live, what you can also do is change the voicing. Has the different drop downs here, 1 through 5, where you can turn it completely off, play it as normal. Then you have these settings as well. You can do some cool things such as shift the rhythm of the pattern. You can also choose when it ends. Then we have the tempo as well here. So a lot of great customization options you can use along with Session Guitarist Electric Neon. What I'm going to do now is reload this plugin and play some of the song patterns just so you can kind of get a feel of what it's sounding like. All right, so I just reloaded the plugin, and what I want to do is come down here to the center, and you'll see a magnifier glass as I hover over this here. And I click on that, and we can see the song browser. And this basically allows you to select your genre of music. So if you're doing EDM, the new disco, pop, electro, tropical house, rock, cinematic, basic, or if you just want to add on the different timing or triplets, you're able to do that as well. All right, so let's go over here to EDM, and we're going to go through some of the different songs. Now let's try some of the pop songs here. And it sounds like some of the genres overlap. See the prime time there. Go to electro and see what this is about. So that is Session Guitarist Electric Neon Essentials. It has a lot to offer. Again, I'm gonna leave the download link in the description box below. Or if you want to watch more videos about session guitars, feel free to do that as well. Again, it's your boy Young Fizz. Thank you for tuning in. We will see you on the next video. We are out.